Good morning. Today is Monday, November 1st, and it's a new month, so I thought I would open up the vlog and say hello. It's just normal Monday for me, just working and checking off some tasks. Trying to see if I can go and get Magnolia's key duplicated. It's proving very tricky. That's one of the small van things that I'm trying to accomplish before I really hit the road with her. I would love to have a spare key, you know, if the worst happens, which, you know, knock on wood, that it won't. But sorry, baby, I was just knocking on wood. No one's at the door. No one's at the door. You can relax. It's okay. Good. Good. That's a nice stretch. If you watched my last vlog, my October vlog, I'll put it in the cards up here. You will see that I noticed a leak, and by noticed, I mean there was a huge deluge of water coming into the van from the Max Air fan. Yesterday, I applied the first coat of Flex Seal, so I just went out and did a second coat, covering the screws in particular. It's gonna be raining for for the foreseeable future again, so hopefully that works. But enough about that. I just wanted to kick off the vlog and say thank you so much for tuning in. If you haven't already, subscribe down here and hit that notification bell so you can see when I post new videos. If you do want to see more content from me, I post more regularly on my Instagram. My handle is the same as on YouTube. It is @AprilAdventuring, so check me out over there. And with that, I will catch up with you shortly. This lighting is horrible. It is November 2nd, and guess what I finally have? Yes, I received my replacement GoPro in the mail today, and I am stoked. So why don't we switch, and I'm gonna start filming on this again. Whoop. So, hello, yes, we are back on the GoPro, and now you can see my crusty face in 5K once again. Ooh, it's windy. Just coming out to check how the sealant worked. As you can see, there's a little bit of water here, and like looking straight up, I have absolutely no idea where that's coming from because that's like this area and there's nothing there. And just since I noticed a drop of water accumulating on this thing, which I honestly have no idea what that is, I put a bowl there, but I didn't actually feel any wetness on the bed, so I don't know if it's actually dripping or just a little bit of water. This still definitely dripping from this corner, not nearly as bad as last time, but I'm gonna have to try again next time it stops raining. Whew, my goodness. It is Thursday, November 4th, and I just got back from spin, so I look like a nice ripe tomato, which I always do after I work out. Hadn't worked out in an entire week, and I've been eating tons of food, Seattle restaurant week, and just ice cream and, you know, just stress eating. It's fall, feels like the right time to be putting on hibernation weight, but it is not necessary. It's just past 7 and I'm going to eat, shower, and edit. So that's the plan. Oh God, look at that cute little face. All right, y'all, I will check in later. Bye. Good morning. It is Friday, November 5th, and all of my meetings today got canceled. So, being the wonderful employee and amazing dog mom that I am, I decided to go to the dog park this morning since it's not raining. It's really cold out. It's like 47 or something, but it's sunny and dry. So, I hit up my friend and we're gonna go to the dog park to let the dogs run around. So I just picked up my absolute favorite donut spot in Seattle. It's called Doughjoy. I am very, very excited that it's Friday and I just feel very free. I think the weather has a lot to do with it, but who cares? SAD, ready for the next 7 months. See you at the dog park. Oh, the boys are gone. I'm getting the sniffs in. Good morning. morning! It is Sunday, November 7th today. Daylight savings just ended last night, so I actually feel like I was able to wake up on time for once. I am celebrating a friend's birthday today. His birthday was actually yesterday, so I just stopped at my favorite donut place, Doughjoy, picked up half a dozen donuts, so I'm gonna pick 3 flavors to bring to hang out with him. This one is hilarious to me. It like fits exactly in this Tupperware that I have. Hilarious. So the 3 that I decided to bring were the pear cardamom, the vegan butterfinger, banana French toast. Because it's really cold and pretty rainy, we're gonna try to find an indoor activity. I think we're gonna try to go rock climbing or like bouldering. I'm totally open to try either one of those. Actually, one of my goals, like the next activity I want to get into is rock climbing. So him suggesting that actually made me think maybe instead of going back to a boxing gym, I should just get a membership at a climbing gym. Good morning! It's November 8th. It's Monday. Back to work today. I'm going to run out today. It's unexpectedly not raining, so I'm going to check the van one more time and see if any water had gotten inside. Last couple times I checked, it looked like the main leak from the Max Air fan was good to go, completely sealed. It only took 3 coats of Flex Seal, but that other little area that was leaking actually dripped a few more times. I had put a bowl down there. So I want to dry it off and spray that area one more time today, see if I can get that taken care of. And then hopefully the van will be leak-free for the foreseeable future. I just have to say also, yesterday was so much fun. Unfortunately, my freaking GoPro, I feel like I always have problems with my GoPro. It stopped working after I got 1 clip. So I got 1 clip of him climbing, and then after that it just wasn't working and I just couldn't be bothered. But I did get a membership. Yeah, let's go check out the van, see how she's doing. I'm tempted to drive her around a bit today because it is dry. Fingers crossed that it is still sealed and good because there's a lot of rain coming. All right, moment of truth. So let's see. Looks dry, dry, beautiful. No water in this cup. See this? See all that water? That coming from this. When you can see there's some water damage all around here. And honestly, I don't even know what these are, but it's definitely leaking still. So I'm gonna jump up there and seal that up again. Oh my God. That's it. So I might need to go to Lowe's or just order online another can of Flex Seal, depending on whether or not that got sealed up. We'll see. Since there's so much parking available right now, I am going to take the van out for a quick drive, fill up on gas, and then, you know, just get the battery revving, move her to a different parking spot. So let's get to it. I am back. I just stopped at the gas station, which is like 2 minutes, no, not even, it's like 30 seconds away from where I live. Started filling up and realized that as I was filling, gas was dripping down from underneath the van onto the ground. I mean, it was just like dripping, it wasn't like gushing out. So I don't think there's a hole in the tank itself. There's probably like a leaky seal or something from where I'm putting the gas in to where it sits in the tank. All these little things are just, you know, one after another. The joys of owning an old van, I guess. But you know, at least I got it on the road. Was able to take it to that gas station, got a little bit of gas, ran the engine for a bit, and she started up beautifully, as always. Good old Maggie. You know, what else did I expect buying a vehicle this old? I'm gonna take a look at that while it's still light out and then, you know, take Pico on the walk that I promised him. Pico's itching to get outside, so let's do that. Good afternoon. It is Friday, November 12th, and I'm currently on the way to the hair salon. It is long overdue for me to get my hair touched up. The last time I got my hair done was, I think, January 4th or something. It was like right after New Year's. Fingers crossed for me that my hair turns out really good. So I will show you what it looks like right now. It is now Saturday, and my hair has been blessed by my wonderful hairstylist. The plan for today is to go climbing. It's a bit of a drive. I'm trying to pick up a pair of freaking climbing shoes before we get to the gym. So I really don't want to have to rent shoes